Hello everyone, this is Vishnuvardhan and Shivani Tripurari. We are here to present our project Amani for the Hackathon, all-in open source hackathon. Amani is a platform for both underprivileged and the people who are willing to donate or help the underprivileged people. Amani means peace in Swahili language. Our platform is mostly focused upon the African continent and its countries. So let's get into the demo. So this is the hero section of our project. Now let's explore what else is available in our project. Okay, shall we go? So as you can see, this is the African continent, and you can view every country in the African continent. This is actually made by using the tree JavaScript framework. So let's say you are willing to donate a particular country and you want to know where your money is going. I mean, if you are interested in donating to a particular NGO, or if you are interested in donating a particular person, and if you are interested in viewing where your money is actually going and how it's helping the people, our platform provides exactly that. So let's say for me, I want to visit maybe Somalia. Yeah, that works. Let's go here. So this is the site of Somalia. So here is an overview of the Somalia in the first place. It has a low income group and the economy is very low, very low. The mortality rate is high. Probability of dying is 24.1%, which is really not good actually. So this is a let's say I want to know about the country. I want to know what NGOs are working on the country. Here are the things. The beauty of Somalia. These are the artifacts or the incidents which happened in the Somalian country, and we have also provided the information, like the location things and who wrote the articles about that and everything. So this is like top things that we need to know about Somalia, like what more accurately how we want to like view the Somalian country in a positive way. But the main focus was knowing the NGOs of the Somalia. So these are the NGOs of Somalia. The first one is Oxfam in Horn. So it is an international organization as a non-profit government organization, of course. Uh, it mostly focuses upon the support like child support, education, and empowering women. So other NGOs are, one will be Safer World. Safer World is an independent international organization. For over 30 years, we have worked to prevent violent conflict and build safer lives. So this is another NGO which works in Somalia. If I want to donate to any one of this particular NGO, we can either visit the original website of the NGO, or we can either see the particular NGO site in our platform, which we will be giving in the later sessions. Okay, for now let's just go back and explore more of our pursue, what they can do. Here are a few options. Yeah, the one will be explore. This is for underprivileged people, such that it will relate to the funding area of United Nations organizations. So this is one. Okay, so this is one platform which provides funds and guides underprivileged people who want to pursue higher educations. So let's say you are not an underprivileged people, you just want to donate or you just want to mentor someone. That would be a really great thing to do. But how do you know, like how can you mentor someone without knowing the particular person? You can display that I'm available for mentorship. That's what we do first. So the help option provides you a mentorship application. You can upload your mentorship application and everything. Then later on, we will review your particular application and we will put it in our platform. Okay, for now let's view another things. So we know Africa is a very diverse country. We really want to know a lot of things about the country and about the continent. And there are a lot of tribes and there are wide variety of stories from many generations and many people, right? So there are a lot of struggling in this continent, as we know, but there are also a lot of really good stories that they want to share. Let's say we want to know how the people of Africa or how the tribes of Africa wants to express their ideas or interests or wants to express their story to outer world. This is a platform which provides that. And if you are one of the member of if you are also one of African citizen and you want to share your story, or if you want to or if you are in a particular situation where where you are an underprivileged person and you are in the requirement of funds or donation, you can also share your story that we will be able to display on our platform. So before sharing to your story, let's just know how the platform is currently displaying the stories. Okay, so here's the story platform. Here you can view the story of a particular tribe, which is written by some other particular person. So these are few articles that are written by few African citizens. The story of Yoruba. Yoruba is one of the most famous tribe in Africa, and yeah, the fairy dance of Zulu tribe. magic or practice of my tribe, Tabo Sebata. Yeah, there's a particular tribes which can which who want to express themselves. The people of this tribe want to let the world know that we live in this tribe and it have a particular good culture and particular uh, tradition. Otherwise, a particular person might even want to share the story of themselves. If he or she is an underprivileged person and they want to express their hard work and they want to express how they lived their life even through hardship, even though they faced some problems, how they overcame it. That's one of the stories that we really want to hear, right? So this section is particularly dedicated to those kinds of people. Okay. So these are few people that share their stories that are later written in some articles who are particularly gone through a great hardship. Yeah. So the last section of this story page is a donation form page. So as I have said, there are a lot of people in Africa who are underprivileged and who really require donation for their education and welfare, and a lot of people also for the food. So how can we donate money to that particular person, or how can we donate something? How can we make some donation to them without having a common platform or one particular platform that can view all kinds of donations? That is Amani. We provide the platform to view different kinds of underprivileged people and different kinds of problems that they face. So here we can see there are a few things like Amina is one person who is struggling, who is an orphan and is currently studying, but she is unable to study and wants some help for funds to in order to grow in life. Here we can see a group of women, a welfare, or maybe we can say it's a community of women who are particularly struggling daily in order to rise above poverty, in order to feed their families. So let's say we want to donate to such community. So what can we do? We can particularly click on it. Uh, I'm sorry. Yeah. We can just click on the particular situation we want to view, and then we will be redirected to the particular page, the page which uploaded the particular donation form. And in our case, this is MREF, the African Health Agenda website, where we can make the donation. So that's one thing. But let's assume you are an underprivileged person yourself. You are an African citizen, and uh, you want to make a particular statement about yourself and want to create a fundraising platform for yourself. How can it be possible? Well, we provide that. If you want to make a fundraising platform for yourself, share your story with us. Now, let's assume for this demonstration sake, let's take two kids. Uh, for the demonstration, I have already prepared a particular story and names. Kofi, it will be one name. Jabari will be another. Right? Let's say we want to write some mail. That could be anything. Let's say abcret@gmail.com, and we want to write a particular phone number. That could be something. Yeah, and we can share our story. Yeah, and if you want, we can also share our photos. For the demonstration, I have took one normal photo from the Google. Yeah. So after uploading everything, I'm gonna just gonna submit it. So where did it go? It went to the database, our platform's database. So will we be able to view our story in the blog session? Actually, no. You can't view your donation thing without an approval from the administrator. In this case, it's me. So as we can see, we got the details and we got the story and everything, and I can approve it. If I approve it as it is approved, then we will be able to view the story. Let's reload the thing, and yeah, that's it. This is our story, the story of Kofi and Jabari. Yeah. So that is our platform. That is Amani.